Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about aligning your choices with your goals.
So every now and then you're going to get opportunities thrown your way, and this is a very difficult thing sometimes because they seem like a really great opportunity, but they do not align with your personal business goals, and that's something that you hit this fork in the road. You know, it's a dead fork in the road. And neither way is right, and neither way is technically wrong. Just one suits you better. And, so this is what this video is about, and we're hoping to kind of give you guys a little bit of how we choose between what's right for our goals and not.
Exactly. And, this is so applicable even in life, like even if you're not running a business, because everybody has goals of some sort that they want for themselves and priorities. And, that may be things like your family, or, in certain instances that may be your career, or blacksmithing, if you're trying to make a career goal in blacksmithing as well. So just no matter which area of your life you're trying to apply this to, there is a way you can apply this today, starting right now.
Yeah, so one of the biggest things that you can do is first you need to have a goal. I mean, that's kind of the big point here. If you don't really have a goal in life, pretty much you're going to go after wherever the wind blows you, whatever good, thing may come your way, you're just going to chase after that. I've turned down work before because it does not align with my future business goals. My future business goals is eventually to be doing full-time education in blacksmithing and doing teaching and introducing other people to other great teachers is kind of one of my goals. And it's kind of like, it's a big goal and it's a little bit out there. And so anything that kind of comes in the way of that, if it doesn't align with those goals somewhere in the next, say, 3 to 5 years, I'm probably not really interested at this point in time in it. And then sometimes, you miss great opportunities. Opportunities that could have been great for you, but, you had to keep on trucking towards your goals.
Yeah. Having an intense focus on where you're trying to get, that is the only way that you're going to get there efficiently as quickly as possible. These things that'll pop up, they'll be distractions, trying to take you away from your main goals and your main priorities in your life. So you do have to be careful of that. Yeah.
You can always be an opportunist, and, you can always be looking for different opportunities that align with your goals, but it should be very goal-oriented. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Thank you for watching.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.